You have a Facebook group for your business, I'm going to assume. And I'm going to assume that for many of you, that you invite your VIP, your best clients, your paying active clients into your VIP group. I'm also going to suggest that what you do is you build yourself a Facebook group community as well. And the idea behind that is that we can start to invite more people from the outside world into your Facebook group, and you can share some of your best and most relevant content, information, and so forth, which is going to position you as the expert, position you as the obvious best choice in those people's minds. Now, when they enter your Facebook group, we're going to utilize the tools that Facebook gives us for free with the group process. And what you'll notice is coming into a group, you have the ability to ask 3 questions. And I'm going to suggest that you utilize those immediately. Step number 1, or question number 1, will be asking them a question on a very general level. Are you interested in X, Y, or Z? Or are you undertaking X, Y, or Z? And that might pertain to whatever type of fitness business or service that you operate. Question number 2, we would love to share with you some of the results of our current clients. Enable us to SMS you this information, and by doing that, we're encouraging them to input their phone number. And I'm going to explain more about that in a moment. Last one is that we would love to share with you one of our resources, and that might be an ebook that you've read, it might be a powerful bit of information that you know most of your clients resonate with. Put in your best email address and we'll email that information across to you. So what we've now done is we've now taken a Facebook group and we've turned that sign-in process into a lead generation tool. Now let's go back to the SMS with the phone number for one moment. The idea behind it is to say that, well, by entering in the SMS, we can have that set up on an automated system. And there's no concern, there's no worry that immediately you're going to jump on the phone and try and sell something to somebody. No. What we're looking to do is we're looking to commence, to start, and then potentially nurture a relationship with that person. And the idea behind doing that via SMS makes it as easy as possible. And also, we know the current stats tell us that roughly 99% of all SMSs do get read. Last part is obviously the email address, and what it means for you now is you've collected 3 very valuable parts to build your database, and that is the name of the person, that is the phone number of the person, and that also is the email of that person as well. And now it's your job to take that to the next level and start to commence and then nurture that relationship.